Terraflux systems, where energy meets innovation.
Traditional batteries, limited by weight and performance.
Carbon fiber battery technology, 9 times lighter than lithium-ion, 400 watts per kilogram, the world's most advanced energy storage.
Engineered for excellence. Precision manufacturing meets innovation.
5-passenger drone, 900 kilometers range, more than 3 times further than any competitor.
From city to island. Unlimited possibilities. Eco Marina platform. 100% renewable energy. RE100 certified. Sustainable living on the ocean. Powered by nature. Carbon neutral future. Built today. Terraflux systems. Powering tomorrow's world.